First step is to remove the mirror control switch from the door panel. Use the provided tool set and gently lift the switch from its clips. Start at the top, as this will make the process easier. If any area is tight to lift, move on to another area to loosen the switch on an even manner. You will hear the clips unclip as you lift up the switch. Once all clips are removed, gently lift up the switch from the door panel and turn it around. You will see two main cables attached to the unit. Simply press the hook on each cable connector and pull them out from the switch control unit. Next, take out the cable provided with the Vision Mirror Control module as shown. Then connect them up to the factory cable connectors. Each connector will go in only one way. The small cable will connect directly to the mirror control module as shown. Next, clip on the mirror control module to the switch control panel. Press it firmly until you hear the module clip onto the switch control panel. Installation is now complete. Simply turn the window switch control unit around and press the unit firmly back into position. Wipe on with a cloth to clear off any dust. Thank you for purchasing the Vision Mirror Control module.